Hey guys, this is Mark the Geek. In this video, I want to show you guys another Android keyboard app that is available in the Play Store, and this is called MyScript Stylus Beta. This is, of course, in beta, and what it lets you do, it lets you write or type by using your finger and just handwriting, like you see right there. And it also has prediction as well. But first of all, let me show you guys how to set it up. Okay guys, so let me show you guys how to set it up. Once you install the app, install the app, you could go ahead and here, open it. And you're gonna have this option right here that says choose a language, then touch. So right now by default you're gonna have English, but if you need to have another language, for example like Spanish or something like that, you could go ahead and add it here as well. Or if you want to change the English language to another language, you could go ahead and change it there. But right now I'm going to leave it in English, of course. And that's it. You got the language set up. Here you're going to choose the activation. Make sure you activate it here. Make sure you turn it on right here, Stylus Beta. And if you have a lot of keyboards activated, you could also deactivate them here. Or you could go ahead and just activate this one. Once you click back, input method, you click on here. From here you're going to choose Stylus Beta and you're done. And that's it. So from here in settings, you can go here and change a couple things that you want. Like for example, the text size if you want, the text color and thickness, auto scrolling speed, baseline position, all that good stuff you could change there. Over here in overview, it will actually teach you how to write here, how to use the app. You can see right here, you could use hello, write hello here, and it will appear up here in the top. And over here, you can see that you could use a side scroll over here. And over here, you can see hello, and here it leaves a space. Here you got a couple examples of how to make us join two texts, split a text. Here insert a text, overwrite one letter for another letter, erased, how to erase a letter. And that's it. So once you do that, you're done. Anytime you want, you could go back here again and try to learn again how to type. The great thing about this app that you can use your normal writing skills. It doesn't matter. You don't have to learn how to write for this program to recognize your writing, because it recognizes normal writing. For example, let's go ahead and write this. See? And like you see, you could write almost as cursive. Very, very cool. Over here, you also have predictions or suggestions you could use. For example, instead of today with a capital T, I could go ahead and choose today with a small t. And of course, everything you could also use. Write smiley faces as well, or use symbols, negative or dash, side dash. In landscape, I find it a little bit better because you have a lot more space to write with your finger. And for example, let's go ahead and say create MyScript. I can see very, very cool. And let's say you make a mistake over here, you could go back. For example, you could tap swipe like there and it will automatically delete. Or of course you have the options over here just like any normal keyboard. You have the backspace right here. And over here you could go ahead tap there and it will make a space over here, go to the bottom. Like you see right there, and you can start another sentence here. Let's see, very, very cool. You could also do question marks as well, or a 7. Like you see, it recognizes very well your handwriting. Another thing that you can actually do here is, for example, if you have more languages, you could tap right here and switch between languages very, very easily. That's very cool. One feature I would love to see here is an options to choose like emoji. That would be very cool to be able to choose that. Over here, you could go back to settings. If you have some doubts, you could go ahead and look at the examples again if you have some doubts. Another thing that you can actually do here, let me show you guys, is join two letters. Let me show you guys how easy it is. Let me show you guys first how to separate two letters. YouTube, right? I wrote YouTube. It automatically writes it there. So if I go like this, it will automatically separate them. If I go like this, it will automatically join them. Very easy. This also works even a lot better on tablets because you have a lot more writing real estate. And of course, with a stylus, it should work a lot better. And like you see, I could use cursive writing and it will automatically recognize it. And very easily, I could go and join and join. Very nice. Very cool, very cool. And I've been using this since I downloaded because I've been wanting to get used to this to try it out. And it's very good. MyScript also does a very cool app called MyScript Calculator, which maybe you guys have seen it. Let me show you guys very fast how it is. This is MyScript Calculator. This is another app that the developer also does, which is a calculator that also uses your handwriting. And it works like wonders. Look at that. Very, very cool. And you could do like that. It works everything very simple. Here you could go ahead and delete everything that you write here, for example. If I go like that, and 7 by 7, and go like that. You can see. Very nice, very cool. And this is totally free. This calculator has been in the Google Play Store for a while, but I just discovered it because I discovered MyScript Stylus Beta, and I've been using this as well. So keep try that. It's totally free. So and it actually recognizes every single formula you could think of, math formula that you can think of. Like you see right there. Very cool. You just keep on writing. If you want to delete there very easily. I like this calculator. I think I will be using this calculator a lot. Okay guys, so here we're back with MyScript Stylus keyboard. Another thing here that you could do is, for example, you see right here the space bar right here in the bottom. If you tap and hold, you can switch between keyboards. You got the ACC Sans, the Google keyboard right there. You might want to use the keyboard if you're doing like a password or something like that. That might be a reason to switch over here. Or you could tap back over here and go back to the stylus. Another thing that I discovered is, you know, that we did here a smiley face right here. If you go back out to the text messages, you can actually see the smiley face that I just did. Using the handwriting, which is very cool. So I guess it doesn't have the options over here to choose emojis, but I guess if you do an emoji like a smiley face or something like that, I guess it will automatically recognize it and create an emoji, which is pretty good. And that's it, guys. Keep in mind, this is in beta, and if it goes out of beta, I don't really know if it's gonna be keep being a free app. But because most of the keyboard apps are usually $3.99 or $2.99 or $1.99, doesn't matter. But honestly, for the price, if it's $1.99 or $2.99, I think it's a very good deal. Especially for people that don't like to type and just prefer writing. This would be an excellent deal, excellent app for those type of people. So guys, that was a look at MyScript Stylus Beta for Android. See you next time, guys.